So, hello! Welcome back, Fander's family. We are going to do a Sandersides inspired makeup tutorial courtesy of my very good friend Marianne. It is Marianne's birthday today, and I would just like to tell her happy birthday. You are my bestie on Twitter, and I just wanted to do something special for your birthday. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm taking your makeup tutorial and I am going to try to put it on myself. I am not a makeup expert. I have never done a makeup tutorial before. This is going to be more of a makeup speed run because it's after 10:30 at night and I'm just going to be washing it right off again anyway. So without further ado, we are doing a Patton makeup tutorial. Here we go. Alright, let's get the video going. Alright, so I use this drop primer by NYX, or NYX, or whatever you call it. Start my foundation. Drop it on. If I do any of this wrong, I am sorry.
There's a lot of stuff that makes up me, and so I'm going to share that with you, and I'll come back today.
She's so sweet. This foundation is, again, the NYX or NYX, and of course the color is like porcelain. Porcelain. I'm a pale girl.
Thomas's Morality.
Thomas's Morality. My favorite, to no one's surprise, is Logan, and I am waiting for my Logan makeup tutorial, Marianne. Alright, so now I look even paler. I use, this is my favorite, Carol Baker. You can see I've used it quite a lot. Carol Baker concealer. Again, the color is light. I am pale. Get rid of that stupid pimple right there. Patton's not that innocent, come on. I mean, he might portray innocence, but in my head he's not that innocent. Alright, so this is Marcel face powder, hypoallergenic. And I use this ELF bronzer thing. So just a little color on Erin. Come on. Okay, I don't have a brow brush, but I have this brow define and fill thing. It's Maybelline, and it's blonde because my eyebrows are like sort of a brown. Alright, this is a little bit darker now. I swear, listening to you speak, Marianne, I'm gonna like pick up your accent. I love like that Southern States drawl. And I want to talk like that too. Because it's just so cool.
This looks cray-cray right now, but
cray-cray.
Today I'm going to use this.
Okay, so I have this palette, again, NYX NYX Modern Dreamer. So I've got all the colors. So Marianne's saying she does like a light brown. Oh, I have light brown. So I'm going to use this color for the inside, the depth and dimension. Okay, so she's starting to do this.
A light shimmery greenish blue.
A light shimmery greenish blue. Oh, I have that. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if these colors have names. But I guess it doesn't matter. I'm going to use this one. This one. It's a very Patton-y color. Okay, don't yell at me for using the same brush, okay?
Shadow brush. Pat it on. Pat it on.
Pat it on. Just pat it on. Oh, I like it.
I need to fix things, y'all. So
whoa.
Don't worry. It's okay. It's totally okay. It's okay.
I like it.
Mascara right here.
Okay, this is my mascara of choice, Lise Wattier 24-Hour Glam Mascara. I found that a lot of mascaras I used to buy used to run down my face because they were really oil-based. This one dries after a minute and like stays on your lashes really nicely, and it just comes off with water, so it's really good.
Mascara.
You got mascara?
Check out these lashes.
Okay, blush. I have this NYX Bear With Me hydrating cheek tint. It's really nice. You literally just put it on like a highlighter. And then rub it in. Let's put some on the apples. Oh, I have pink and shiny. Okay, so last one is Plump Your Pucker Lip Gloss in Extravagant. And it's very pink and shiny. Girl version of Patton. I don't have any lip liner, sorry. Alright, get it off my teeth. Alright, all done. So, we have our finished makeup look, the Patton look. And, you know, I think it needs just a little something extra. Let me see if I can do a little bit of magic here. A little bit of Mind Palace magic. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Check it out, kiddos! Looking pretty good with my Femme Patton makeup look and my snazzy cardigan. Anyway, thank you very much, guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Have a wonderful day, kiddos, and happy birthday, Mary Ann.